Hi Maklagan! Ako si Kalagan Fritz. Ito ang Laagan sa Subo Pageantry All Access. Don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel at Laagan sa Subo and click the bell button for notification. Like our official Facebook page at Laagan sa Subo. It's another pageant episode and another pageant king na naman ang machichikahan natin sa araw na to. Help me welcome Mr. Grand Philippines, the 5th winner. We have Mr. Jesse.
Hello. Thank you for having me.
Ang cute naman! Diyos ko! How are you?
I'm doing good. Medyo puyat, pero I'm here to be a part of the Visayas screening for Mr. Grand Philippines 2024.
Oh, can you tell us your journey towards your competition when you competing the Mr. Grand Philippines?
Kumusta? It was actually very tough competition. Lalo na first time ko rin sumali ng isang pageant.
Oh, so, talaga? First
yes,
time? Okay.
Yes, it was my first time joining a national pageant. So, wala pa akong background sa pagsali ng any pageant. So, I just tried my luck na magpa-screen and then nagtuloy-tuloy siya. Then, habang nagtutuloy-tuloy yung aking luck sa pageantry, inaaral ko rin at the same time kung paano dapat i-present yung sarili, kung paano magsalita, kung paano sumagot sa mga possible questions sa mga pageantry. So, inaral ko din siya. Hindi naman ako nag-start from somewhere na wala akong alam.
Oh. Kasi when you say about pinag-aral mo talaga, yung important thing ngayon sa pageantry is the Q&A.
That's right.
So, kumusta naman yung Q&A?
Well, meron kasi ako naging Q&A coach.
Okay.
Shout out to Sir John Paasa.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, I had a Q&A coach to at least know kung paano yung mga formula, kung paano sumagot sa mga pageant questions. So of course, I have an idea in my mind kung paano siya sasagutin. Also important to have the idea of someone who is coaching you kung paano talaga technically sasagutin yung mga questions. So para mas may impact kumbaga, yes, mas may laman yung sasabihin mo sa mga sagot.
Oo, naman talaga. Kasi yun din yung pinaka one of the important thing when it comes to pageantry.
That's right.
At sino ba talaga si Jess if off-cam or wala sa pageantry?
People would say that Jessie is a very reliable friend. So I would say na I can be trusted by someone so long as may bibigay ko rin yung trust ko sa taong yun. Give and take lang naman yun yung trust na yun. So I'm a very family-oriented person. I'm doing actually all of this stuff because of my family. So my mom died at the age of 49. So she's actually my inspiration. Joining this pageant, pursuing my career in showbiz. Yeah, so my mom is really my inspiration.
Now, talking about that one as well, after the Mr. Grand Philippines, what's next? Anong aabangan namin kay Jess?
Well, I am focusing now on my showbiz career. So modeling and acting.
Okay.
So I've been doing tapings for TV5. And then there's this upcoming movie, so to be announced yan.
Wow, so TV5 na!
Pwede nyo pong abangan yan sa mga social media namin. Comment ko.
So
I'll be posting it.
Yeah.
But the one I taped for TV5 is already done. One season lang siya. So I don't know if magkakaroon siya ng second season. So abangan niyo.
Abangan namin yan. Kasi marami na na-interview ko from TV5. Gab Basiano, shout out to my very good friend of mine, Gab Basiano. Nag-guest na rin siya sa Laagan. And she's now also in TV5 as well. Nung kay Will. But congratulations,
Thank you, so.
Sikat pala po yung na-interview ko. Pero tanong ko na rin, Jessie. May nagpapatid ba sa puso ni Jess?
Wala sa akin.
Ay! Oh my God! So ano palang typical girl yung gusto mo, if you don't mind me asking?
Basta yung so kasi may sense of humor. Ako kasi yung walang sense of humor.
Oh, gano'n?
Parang feeling ko kasi ako yung yung boring na partner. Tapos siguro I want someone na magpapangiti palagi sa akin. Marunong magpatawa, ganyan. And gusto ko yung caring physically. Ayan.
Caring naman ako, Jessie. Diba? Ang pogi ni Jessie. Nakakaloka. No, Jessie, tanong ko na rin. What makes you turn on?
Ay, turn on?
Nabigla talaga siya.
Anong context ba to?
Ay, wala context. Ikaw na bahala. Mag-isip ka. Basta, tanong ko lang is, Jessie, what makes you turn on?
Very good smile. Ayan. And then,
Wow!
a very nice eyes. Yan. So maganda yung mga eyes.
Buti na lang nakakontact lens ako ngayon. So, a very good smile and a beautiful eyes. Ayun pala, di ba? Bakala agad. Ayun pala. No, Jessie, in one word, describe yourself in one. In just one word.
I would say passionate. Kasi ayokong pagsisihan in the future na hindi ko binibigay yung buong 101% ko sa mga bagay na ginagawa ko. So I can say that I'm very passionate in all the things I do. You could expect me na yung mga ginagawa ko is at par sa standards na nakaset sa mind ko. So, excellence.
I see. Passionate. No, Jessie, ngayon, we have this screening for the Mr. Grand Philippines for the upcoming 2024. What are your advices for those Mr. Grand Philippines aspirants?
Oh yes, for the aspirants ng ating Mr. Grand Philippines 2024, you just have to make sure that you're really good and you're really sure that you really want to be a part of this pageant, and make sure na kailangan yung ibigay yung 101% niyo. May it be your resources, your time, your everything, kasi for sure maraming masasacrifice eh. Even your career, possible na masacrifice yan. And be sure na ready kayo sa bagay na yon. And above all, be inspirational.
Wow.
Kailangan may influence din kayo.
Wow, very inspirational, no? Yun naman talaga. Now, kindly please invite our Lagan sa Cebu viewers where we can follow you, your social media platform, and how we can also support you for your upcoming events, especially ngayon, nasa TV5 ka na. Go ahead, please.
Oh yeah, I'm inviting everyone to please do follow me on my social media accounts. It's at Jessie Ginto, that's JESSEGUINTO. So may mga upcoming announcements po tayo dyan na ipopost, so watch out for it.
Oh, I see. Once again, Makalagan, our Mr. Grand Philippines winners, Class 2023, we have Jessie. Thank you very much for guesting here sa Lagan sa Cebu. Cute nyo talaga, Makalaaga. My God, I think naka-fall naman ako dito. Let's go. And also, good luck for your upcoming events.
Salamat.
You're welcome. And also, don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel at Lagan sa Cebu and click the bell button for notification. Like our official Facebook page at Lagan sa Cebu. You may also follow me on my TikTok account, Instagram, and Facebook at Fritz Gerald Alcaraz. And I would like to personally thank also Doc Adam. Thank you very much for the accommodation. And also, thank you very much Team Flora Dermatoloica for always making me fresh, because I am Team Flora Touch. Once again, ako si Kalaagan Fritz saying, stay safe, be a responsible Kalaagan, and this is Laagan sa Cebu, Pageantry All Access.